here I am at Cape Palliser, and we've just walked up to the lighthouse. It's 252 steps up there. Now, a year ago, with my injured hip, I would not have been able to do that, but I just whizzed up here easily, and I'm whizzing down now just as easily. So that's how good my new hip is. I wouldn't even think of doing that before the operation, but after surgery, I have no problem. So here we are in Cape Palliser, which is at the end of the North Island, and just if you look, it's beautiful. It's like you're in splendid isolation. It's almost like Jurassic Park here, but it's also famous for its seal colony. And if you have a little look at these gorgeous seals. They're just all sitting on the rocks. And then take a look at this coastline over here. It's just beautiful, rugged, the waves, and then up to the lighthouse over there. It's just really awesome. And like before my operation, I wouldn't be wanting to do things like this because walking and getting in and out of the car and having to hike here or there is not pleasant, but after the operation it's like I've got my old life back. So if you are having an operation or are needing one, don't hesitate, because really it's the best thing I've done for getting quality of life back.